Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of this subscription-based company called Scentbird. So if you guys would like to see this video, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And let's get right into this video. So when this company reached out to me, I was highly pressed. I'm not even gonna lie. I was like really pressed. And the reason I was pressed because I've seen bigger YouTubers do reviews on this perfume company and I've always wanted to try it. So thank you Scentbird for sending me these perfumes. I think they picked for me because I didn't know what perfume to pick. But basically Scentbird is a subscription-based company that sends you designer perfume for a very low price and they keep refilling it. You only have to pay $14.95 a month and you can choose from 500 different types of fragrances. Designer fragrances, girl. And not only do they have perfume, they also have cologne. So if you want to order like a different scent, like a his and hers, or somebody you date in, you can, or if somebody stink, you want to hint, then you can always recommend that to them. But I'll link everything down below. But it's great because then I can also order cologne for my boyfriend and have perfume for me. All of them for me. Now this comes in a very small container that is good for travel size, but you do get a lot of product in the container. Right now I have this yellow golden one, which I love because I love yellow gold. Ooh, there's a nice blue one right here. This reminds me of like the suitcase blue, the expensive blue, like the blue that people buy expensive suitcases wear in the airport, but you only got like your duffel bag from Pink. And then we have this pink one right here, and it comes in these cute little containers and it's so pretty. I love the colors. Honestly, it doesn't matter about the colors, but I personally just like the colors because I think it's cute. Basically, you can just twist this up and then when you take the container out, you can tell what perfume it is. So this one is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Gold Couture. And I haven't really tried this. I've tried some Juicy Couture perfumes, but not all of them. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This smells really good. And you guys, since it's like the holiday season, I was really thinking, wow, this smells really good. My sister Celinda loves perfume and she be liking them designer perfumes that I can't afford. So I'll just go ahead and get her like these and then put it in her stocking. But I have a bridal shower to go to later on and I'm gonna wear this. It comes in this little velvety black case that you can just swoop in there and then you can put it in your travel bag. The links to all these perfumes I'll link down below for you guys to check out. But so far, I mean, I haven't tried the rest of them, but so far that yellow one, the Juicy Couture, is really nice. All right, so I'm gonna go into this one, and this one is Dolce Gabanna. Okay. I got Dolce & Gabbana, girl. All right, so I'm gonna spray this. Totally missed my wrist. Spray this. Ooh, the Dolce & Gabbana has a very strong, like, floral scent, but it smells really rich, if that makes any sense. You know how rich people smell? That's how it smells. I really like this, but these are really good for the holiday season. I used to be like that type of person who would just wear any like body spray and just spray it all over my body and like go out the door. You know, now that I'm getting older and like sophisticated and stuff, like I wanna like try like designer perfume and stuff. So next one I'm gonna try is this Nest Fragrances. Did I say fragrances? Wow. And this is Midnight Fleur. Anyway, I haven't heard of this company before, but let's try that over here. Oh, this smells like it could be unisex. It's giving me like cologne and perfume vibes, but this smells really good. Oh my gosh, I really like all of these scents. Honestly, I feel like this is a really great company. They all smell really good. But that yellow one really like just reminds me of warmth and vanilla and stuff. Okay, we're about to switch to how people really put it, like when they do the reviews, we about to switch it to that. Okay, so. Ooh, I really like that one. This is the type of one when people go in for a hug on Thanksgiving, they'll be like, oh my gosh, you're successful because I smell it. You feel me? Comment down below what's your favorite designer perfume so I can try, because I'm trying to rack up these holiday gifts, you feel me? Because I'm really trying to upgrade my life, you know? I'm trying to be on my Beyonce and Jay-Z-ish, you feel me? Like, I'm trying to be upgraded. I need to start by getting lotion, to be honest. Scentbird, get your Scentbird. So thank you, Scentbird, for considering me to be you know, cool enough to join the Scentbird video people. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to join the TaylorTribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram if you want to see what I'm doing every single day. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will talk to ya beauties later. Bye.